Hello everyone, it's Dr. J again. I'm doing a program today to check to see if a C-style string is a palindrome or not. So I have a little outline already. We're going to use a function that's Boolean called pal that takes a C-style string as input. It will return true if it's a palindrome, false if it's not a palindrome. So let's quickly write this little program. It's a good exercise on C-style strings. So let's begin by declaring our C string. We'll call it S for length 100. That really means length 99 because one character is reserved for the null. Last character is reserved for null. So there's really up to 99 characters in the string. Let's input the string from the user. Please enter a string to check if a palindrome. Okay, and let's read it in using getlin. And that's a built-in C-style, it's made for C-style strings. We'll specify 99 characters. And we will then simply call the function. So let's say if the name of the function is pal, and we're sending in S. If that's true, then we have to write a message that it's true. So first of all, my right squiggly is a little messed up here. My right paren rather is a little messed up. Fix that. So C out. It is a palindrome. Why did it come out S0? I'm sorry, just S. It is a palindrome. Endlin. Else, it is not a palindrome. Not a palindrome. Not a palindrome or a palindrome. Very simple response. And that looks like all there is for the main line. So let's jump down to the function, quickly do that. So let's do the length, call the length function for the length. So that would be string length of C. C is the dummy variable that our actual string is being passed into. Okay, now let's do a little for loop to solve the problem. Well, before we do that, let's put in a Boolean value variable. Is a pal equal true? So if we find that it's not, we change it to false. So for the beginning of the string, which is int I equals 0, up until the midpoint of the string, which is length divided by 2, we're going to check to see whether the beginning of the string equals the end of the string. So if C of I is not equal, where's that not sign? Is not equal to C of length minus I. Let's see, when I is 0, we're comparing against length minus 1. So when I is 0, we would length minus I would be length, so we have to subtract 1 from that. And that looks like it should work. So if that's true, we're going to set the switch to false. Is a pal equal false? And break out of the loop. Break. Well, there's more than one statement in this true path, so we need squigglies. Of course, it always messes me up when I do squigglies. Squigglies and I don't get along. Squigglies and Dr. J are not friends. Okay, there you go. Now one more line and we should be done with this function. Return is a pal. So if it's a palindrome, it should return true. If it's not a palindrome, it should return false. Only one way to check. Let's compile and run. Please enter this thing to check if a palindrome. Expected primary. Let's see what we did wrong here. An extra left less than sign. Typo. Okay, let's try one that we know is a palindrome. Anna, that worked. Let's try one that we know isn't a palindrome. Check to see that works. Some. Now let's do a more complicated classic one. Madam, I'm Adam. And we'll quit right there. If that works, I'm happy. Madam, I'm Adam. Looks good to me. All right, thank you, class. It was a very quick little program on checking for palindrome using C-style strings. Study hard for the final. Bye, everyone.